It's time for DJ Raqi's Secret Files. Ikakasal na ako sa kuya ng ex-boyfriend ko. Nag-book ako ng grab car last Thursday at na-shock ako sa napakinggan ko. The story was really familiar. The story was personal. The story was about my ex and about me. Until I had to leave the car and continue listening to it through online. Inabangan ko talaga yung replay sa Facebook at sa YouTube. Tapos ang dami kong nakikitang komento na gusto nilang marinig ang side ko. Actually, gusto kong i-ignore, magkunwaring walang pake. I was really trying my best to be not affected by the confession of my ex. But I failed. Then I found myself writing this. Maybe because I want to be relieved. And I want to inspire others. Oo. Ako yung babaeng tinutukoy ni William. Itago niyo ako sa pangalang Candy. And this is my secret file. My side. Gagamitin ko na lang din yung mga pangalan na ginamit ni William. Pero enough na yon. I will spare the identity of my child in this story. Year 2012. One of the happiest moments in my life. Nasa isang birthday party kami noon. Nang may pinakilala yung kaibigan ko sa akin na isang lalaking chinito, matipuno, gwapo, at ang lakas ng dating. Naramdaman ko agad yung connection namin together. It's like we have this invisible thread that connects us together. When my friend left us, ang dami na naming napag-usapan. We easily got along. Nag-click kami in short. Then we dated for a while until we officially became a couple. Then, nung naging couple kami, I noticed na he was a bit controlling, immature, and insecure. At dahil dun sa mga katangian niyang yun, we end up fighting. Nagkakaaway kami pero nagkakaayos din naman. Kasi malambing naman siya. Then year 2015, I made the biggest decision in my life. Me leaving Australia to live in the Philippines for good. It was a decision I've thought through the years. Mahirap pa. Pero my heart belongs to the Philippines. Gusto ko yung mga kamag-anak ko. Gustong-gusto ko yung umuwi ng probinsya. But of course, city girl pa rin. Dati pa man sinabi ko na sa sarili ko na mag-iipon lang ako and then babalik ako ng Pilipinas. So, tinanong ko si William if he wants to come with me. But he doesn't. He doesn't want to take a risk. He told me he doesn't want to live in the Philippines. paano naman daw yung tatay niya, and so on and so forth. Dami kong naririnig ng mga negative comments about me leaving Australia. Then after hearing his words, then I made up my mind. Talagang kailangan kong umalis. I don't want to end up with a man who is dependent to his father. I don't want to end up with a man who cannot be responsible, who I cannot see the potential of being a father, who cannot stand with his own feet. Mahirap, pero ginawa ko pa rin. Then, nakauwi na ako ng Pilipinas. Months later, I found out that I was pregnant. Hindi ko na pinaalam kay William yung bagay na yun. Kasi alam ko na hindi naman niya pananagutan yun. Because he was a man with no dreams. Happy-go-lucky kumbaga. Natakot din ako na baka siguro mag-iba yung desisyon ko. Kaya tumayo ako sa sarili kong mga paa. Then I said to myself, kaya kong maging single mother. Then few years later, I met Willie. Si Willie, isa siyang thoughtful person. Walang binanggit kahit kailan si Willie about William. Ang lagi niya lang kinukwento sa akin, nakasakasama niya sa bahay nila ay yung bunso niyang kapatid, si Warren. I've always known na siya yung panganay. Siguro, I think nabanggit niya lang once na meron siyang brother na nasa ibang bansa. Pero hindi niya na inelaborate. And I feel like he doesn't want to talk about it. So, nirespeto ko siya sa parteng yun. Hanggang sa lumipas ang panahon, naging kami nga ni Willie, super mabait, responsable at maaasahan. Siya yung tumayong tatay sa kapatid niya. He never likes the idea of suffering. He always wants everybody to be comfortable. Nakita ko kung gaano niya kamahal yung mama niya at yung kapatid niya. At ramdam ko din kung gaano niya ako kamahal. Kasi tinanggap niya ako ng walang pag-aalinlangan. Kahit na sa una pa lang ay sinabi kong single mom ako, he still pursued me. He loved my child as his own. I never lied about my child, but I never told him or disclosed the identity of the father of my child. Ramdam niya rin siguro na hindi pa ako handang sabihin sa kanya. Lagi ko namang sinasabi sa kanya na darating din yung panahon na sasabihin ko sa kanya lahat-lahat bago kami magpakasal. Kasi sa ngayon, parang hindi pa ako handang pag-usapan. Yun naman yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya. Never siyang namilit. He respected my decision. And then one day, 60th birthday ng mama niya. Pinag-ipunan niya talaga yon at talagang pinaghandaan. We talked to suppliers and presto. Wala kaming pinroblema pagdating sa preparation dahil pagkadating namin, all set. I just had to go to a meeting nung time na yon kaya medyo na-late yung dating ko sa party ni tita. Just when I arrived, William escorted me inside the hotel venue. Then I entered the hall hanggang sa yung attention ko was caught by a familiar face. Inignore ko lang kasi baka mamaya na mamalikmata lang ako. But when I looked at him for the second time, oh shucks. Nagka-eye to eye contact pa kami. Those eyes, hindi ako pwede magkamali. My ex. I wanted to move back because we were heading towards his direction. Pinapakilala ako ni Willie sa mga amiga ng mama niya. At mukhang sa buong madla niya ako ipapakilala. Hindi ko alam kung bakit nandoon sa birthday party ng mama ni Willie si William. I just can't connect it. Hanggang sa dami nang pumapasok sa isip ko like, baka blood related sila. O di kaya malayong magkamag-anak. I don't know. Hindi naman sila parehas ng apelyido. Then few months later, I was standing in front of the person I've loved before. Sinubukan kong kalmahin yung sarili ko, huwag magpakita ng awkwardness at huwag magpakita ng kaba. Then my boyfriend introduced me to my ex-boyfriend. Akalain mong nakipagkamay pa ako? As if it was my first time to touch his hand. So I gathered all my courage and strength to say few words to him. Hiniling ko sa pagkakataong yun na matapos na yung gabing yun. Then the night ended. As much as possible, ayaw kong magtagpo kami ng landas ni William. Kaya ang ginagawa ko, every time na may invite si Willie sa bahay nila, magdadahilan ako. Pero there was a time na birthday nung bunso at kailangan kong pumunta. At yun na nga. Nakapag-usap kami doon ni Willie dahil iniwan ako ni William. Ayoko ngang makasama yun eh. Pero I had no choice but to talk to him. Then nag-usap lang kami for a while. And then I just want to make things clear to him na tapos na yung amin. Then after a while, bumalik na si Willie. At nagulat na lang ako sa mga sumunod niyang ginawa. He kneeled and then asked me to marry him. Walang pag-aalinlangang. Tumango ako and I whispered yes. Oo. Gusto kong maikasal kay Willie. He is the man of my dreams. Kahit pa iba yung ama ng anak ko, he's still the person I want to marry. At kahit alam ko na nasasaktan yung isa doon sa gilid, I just can't contain my happiness. Hindi dahil sa pinagtitripan ko siya or gusto kong mag-revenge. Pero hindi. Gusto kong ipakita kay Willie that I'm happy with my life right now. So, nagplano kami ni Willie na magpapakasal na kami. I was really excited about it. Planning dito, planning doon. And then, yes, 3 months. Kakasal na kami nun. Then, lumipas pa ang mga araw. There was a time na pinag-awayan namin ni Willie yung tungkol sa out-of-town trip ko. Because I don't want to leave my child in their house. Gusto niya yung bata doon na lang muna sa bahay nila while I'm out of town. Ayoko sana kasi ayokong makasama ng bata si William. But it pushed through. Nagstay yung anak ko sa bahay nila Willie. Hindi ko nga alam kung bakit andoon pa rin si William. Bakit hindi pa rin siya bumabalik abroad? I was really worried baka malaman niya ang totoo. Yung katotohanan ng matagal ko nang ibinaon sa limot. Hanggang sa lumipas yung out of town trip ko. Susunduin ko ng bata sa bahay nila Willie. Nang biglang sabihin sa akin ni Willie na magkasama daw si William at yung bata. Nag-mall daw ito malapit sa bahay nila. Puntahan ko na lang daw dahil may meeting pa siya at hindi pa siya makakauwi ng bahay. Baka daw hindi kayanin ni William yung kakulitan ng bata. So binigay sa akin ni Willie yung number ni William. At dahil concerned ako sa bata, I gave William a call. Pinuntahan ko sila sa mall. Then I saw my child. He was enjoying William's company. Ang gandang eksena. Parang perfect family. Then when my child saw me, tumakbo siya agad sa akin at yumakap sa akin. I felt so happy but at the same time worried. Kasi mas napapalapit yung bata doon sa lalaking minahal ko. Doon sa lalaking naging dahilan ng kasiyahan ko ngayon. Umuwi kami sa bahay nila Willie para kunin ko sana yung ibang gamit ng bata. Akala ko madadatnan ko na doon sa bahay sina tita, si Willie at Warren. Pero walang tao sa bahay nila. Tulog na tulog ang bata. Inihiga muna namin ito sa sofa. Then few moments later, tinanong ako ni William, ako ba ang ama? Para akong binuhusan ng napakadaming yelo. Hindi ako nakapagsalita. And then there's no way to deny but I just nodded. Mangiyak-ngiyak siya at tinatanong ako bakit hindi ko daw sinabi. Then I said firmly, kapag sinabi ko ba sa'yo may magbabago? May magbabago ba sa'yo? Then he replied, pero tinanggalan mo ako ng karapatang maging ama sa bata. No. You were not ready to be a father. Sabi ko. Noon yun. Pero kaya ko na ngayon. Sabi niya. Then sabi ko, sige, paano gagawin mo? Hihingi ka ng pampagata sa daddy mo? May trabaho ka ba na stable? You cannot even fix yourself. You cannot even fix your dreams. You're too dependent on me that time. And you were too dependent on your father that time. We were too young that time. And then sabi niya sa akin, ano daw karapatan ko? Natanggalin yung karapatan niya bilang isang ama. Natahimik na lang ako dun. Patuloy ang pag-iyak niya. I was trying my best to stay calm while making a point. And then, after a few seconds, he grabbed my arm. Hinalikan niya ako bigla. Tapos bumulong siya sa akin. Wala ka na bang nararamdaman? For a moment, I missed that feeling. For a moment, I was hypnotized. I was carried away. Umabot yung halikan namin dun sa kwarto. Yung guest room nila sa bahay nila. At nang mapahiga na kami sa kama, I finally got into my senses. No, this is not right. Sabi ko, no. Tapos na akong mahalin ka. Mahal ko si Willie. At siyang pinipili ko. I'm sorry, I cannot do this. Sinubukan niya pa akong yakapin at halikan. Pero bumaba na ako ng kwarto na yon. At kinuha ang bata. At umalis na sa bahay na yon. Few days na lang, ikakasal na ako. And I'm happy with my decision. Sometimes, you just have to accept and believe that there are people not really meant for us. And we just have to choose the person to love, to respect, and to share moments for the rest of our lives. At sa ngayon, hanggang sa susunod pang mga araw, I'm choosing Willie over William. Sabi ko kay William na lang, through text, na ako na lang magsasabi kay Willie ng katotohanan. You just have to give me time. Wala akong natanggap na kahit anong reply sa kanya. Pero I'm hoping na he would respect my decision. Again, this is Candy. And this is my secret file.